Hi, I'm Juno Prudhomm with Dennis and Yachting. Today I'm going to take you on one of my newest listings. I know sometimes when you guys see me in Panama City, Panama, I'm on a sport fish, I'm fishing around, kind of cruising the islands. But today I have something different. My client really wanted a yacht that exudes sex appeal, speed, and he wanted to have the outside, inside. Today we're on a big express, a 2004 Mangusta 72 hardtop called QUERENCIA. What makes this yacht special to any Mangusta 72 on the market, in 2015, her Arneson Man 1550s were completely replaced. So you have 2015 engines with 500 hours with a top speed of 40 knots. All of her exterior upholstery was completely replaced. We're gonna go over more of her key features in this walkthrough, so let's go get on board. Here we are at the teak swim platform. This is gonna be your vantage point of getting in and out of the water. At the swim platform, you also have a ladder that goes in and out of the water. Here is gonna be your tender garage, which stores a Williams jet tender. In the garage as well, she's kind of flushed away, is your passerelle. So you can utilize your passerelle at any given time when need be. Let's make our way up to the cockpit. What's nice with these Euro transom, you can access the cockpit either port or starboard. On the port side of the teak, you're gonna have your access hatch to the garage. Right here, you're gonna have your safety railings, and this door completely closes out all the way so it's nice and safe, nothing rolls out. What I really like that the owner added on, because I'm a fisherman, I like to fish, are these rocket launchers. So if you wanna put some rods on, we're cruising maybe 5-7 knots, who knows, we might hook up to a mahi. On those hot summer days, just depending on where you are, if you're gonna be in the Caribbean, if you're in Panama, if you're in South Florida, this Bimini top is a great extra shade of protection. Sometimes on most Mangustas, this usually isn't on there, so this is a huge bonus. Now this aft sunbed is humongous. You can easily have 4 to 6 people here, hang out, have some cocktails, just enjoy yourself, kind of get that scenic view. And when you're underway doing 30 knots, you're gonna get that huge rooster tail behind you. On both port and starboard, you're gonna have your foot pedals for your winches. So you have easy access, just flip it over. That's it. Moving forward is gonna be your access hatch to your engine room. You just climb down the ladder and it's gonna get you down into your engine room. Having the isinglass enclosure behind me makes it a huge advantage for this boat. When it's hot, when it's rainy, you can just put it down and keep everything nice and covered. A huge bonus, especially in this covered cockpit area, is that we have AC. So you're not gonna be hot, you can just relax, talk with friends and family, and just hang out and enjoy yourselves. This is gonna be the area where everything happens. If you're an entertainer just like this current owner, this was huge for him. This area, you can easily have 8 to 10 guests. Having these 2 L-shaped seating area is a huge bonus. Here in this area, you're gonna have 2 separate teak tables. Now, if you wanna turn this into more of a dining occasion or maybe you wanna have a celebration, you have insert that goes on top of the tables and completely opens up, so now you have more of a dinner setting. That's a nice advantage to have on both either port or starboard. Continuing our way forward, you're gonna find a wine cooler and your entertainment station. Behind that area that you may not notice is gonna be your flat screen TV. Forward to port, it's gonna be your sink with prep station. Across from there, you're gonna have a refrigerator for your cold drinks and an ice maker. Continuing forward, we're gonna make our way to the Helm station. Here at the Helm, you're gonna find 6 AC vents keeping you nice and cool on those hot days, 3 Garmin 7612s, your Garmin VHF, Garmin Autopilot, your Boeing manned engine displays, your side power bow thruster, your low Franz windlass, your wiper controls. An upgrade that was added was this 24-inch Garmin display. Walking up to the bow, you have a huge foredeck, a nice lounging area that can easily have 4 to 6 people here because of this huge sun pad, as well as your crew access to your crew area that's gonna sleep 2. You have side-by-side berths, as well as your head and shower. After spending all day outside in the cockpit, maybe you're in the water, jumping around, listening to music, this area in the salon is just going to be somewhere where you gather, relax, turn on a movie, have a snack, or even have dinner. What's nice about this area, this sofa I'm sitting on was completely replaced about 3 months ago. Last year we completely redid the carpet in the salon to give it a nice feel. So most everything you're going to see down here for age is very modern. Here in the salon, you're greeted by the nice white oak cabinetry. You have a U-shaped salon area to your port that can easily sit up to 6 guests. You have side-by-side teak tables. What's nice about this table, you can use it for cocktails, but another upgraded feature is there's an insert that goes on top to make it a full, complete dining table. Moving after the nook is your galley. You're gonna find a 4-burner Miele cooktop, Miele convection oven, an abundance of cabinet storage, a Miele dishwasher, a isotherm fridge and freezer, as well as your stainless steel sink basin. Leaving the galley, we're going to make our way forward to the master stateroom. Here in the master, you're going to have your island berth, to starboard a bench seat, 2 locker closets, 2 reading lights, surround sound, and a flat screen TV. Moving aft is going to be your head. One thing to note, you have a separate head and shower, so it's almost a his and hers. The granite countertops are completely brand new, and this is another great feature that the owner added on. Let's make our way aft to the other staterooms, but before we go there, in the companionway, you're going to have a Miele washer and dryer and storage for your glassware. On your port guest stateroom, you'll have side-by-side berth, a Pullman berth, flat screen TV, reading light, a locker closet, and your ensuite head. Here on your starboard side guest stateroom, you have your full island berth, flat screen TV with Apple TV, reading light, an abundance of cabinet storage, a locker closet, and your ensuite head. Thank you for taking this tour with me on QUERENCIA, a 2004 Mangusta 72 hardtop located in Panama City, Panama. If you have any further questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please feel free to contact me directly.